possibilities. So to inspire us, I invite my friend Kiara to share the thought of the day.
Thank you.
I would like to call my friends to tell us a few latest amazing inventions of our scientists.
Scientists achieved success in an experiment aimed at eliminating the extra 21st chromosome that leads to Down syndrome. Scientists made fake rhino horns that look and feel real, but they are not. They give these to markets to confuse poachers and protect real rhinos from being hunted. Smart trick, right?
Scientists in Amazon rainforest discovered a special fungus that can eat plastic. This could help clean up the planet and protect animals from plastic pollution. Isn't that amazing?
Scientists made gel-like water beads that can help farmers when there is shortage of water. It is great invention for the and hot countries.
Today's weather update is minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. It's mostly cloudy today. Thank you. Thank you for sharing the weather update with us.
It's time to roll, chill and sweet as we uncover some cool animal facts. It's time to roll, chill and sweet as we uncover some cool animal facts. From the deepest oceans to the tallest trees, animals have amazing stories to tell. Let's hear some.
Did you know octopus has a tiny brain in each of its 8 arms in addition to the central brain? Did you know whales are the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth? Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, their hearts as much as an automobile.
The fingerprints of a koala are nearly to humans.
Elephants can swim, they cannot jump, they live up to 70 years. Did you know cows do have best friends but stress when they are separated? When ant finds a pile of food, it rubs its antenna and its front leg to another ant to tell there is almost food. Did you know birds can hop around but can't walk backwards? Did you know ducks can learn more than 1,000 words? Puppies are born blind and deaf. Did you know horses can see nearly 360-degree vision, but they cannot see directly in front or behind them?
Repeat yours, come in front of the mic.
Did you know?
Come in front of the mic.
Did you know horses can see nearly 360-degree vision, but they cannot see directly in front or behind them?
A butterfly is a beautiful creature. It stays with their feet.
Did you know monkeys can feed the banana know owls cannot move their eyeballs, instead they move their head. Thank you. Wasn't that amazing? And now, to make things even more exciting, let's bring the animal world to life through a knowledge and fun-filled skit. Hey Trisha, why didn't you come to play today? We were discussing about International Tiger Day.
Tiger Day, I've heard Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Daughter's Day. Now people are starting celebrating Tiger's Day also.
Listen, it's not matter of fun. There is a reason behind celebrating International Tiger Day. Reason? Can you please enlighten what is this all about? International Tiger Day is celebrated on July 29 every year. The main aim behind this day is to raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation. But why do we need to conserve tigers?
Before I answer your question, I would like to show you something.
What did you understand by this? So many tigers died. Yes. 97% of white tigers disappeared in the last century. Only around 3,000 tigers were left alive till 2023. 6 tigers were on the verge of extinction. So in 2010, 30 tiger-rich countries came together to create the global goal to double the numbers of tigers by the year 2022. I would like to share a video to answer your questions.
Around the world as a symbol of strength, but tigers are in danger. Once ranging widely across Asia, we have lost more than 95% of the wild tiger population due to poaching, habitat destruction and overhunting of tiger prey. There are now only 3,900 wild tigers left in the world. Tigers are crucial to the health of the ecosystems in which they live. Thriving tiger populations indicates an intact balance between apex predators, herbivores and vegetation. Tigers are also an umbrella species. They require large areas of intact forest to survive. So tiger conservation means protecting many other species in the same area. In 2010, leaders of the 13 tiger range countries committed to a goal known as TX2 to double the number of wild tigers by 2022, the next Chinese Year of the Tiger.
We need to communicate effectively that saving the tiger is not some middle-class obsession. It is an ecological imperative. By saving the tiger, you are saving the forests.
Through global conservation efforts, there is hope for one of the world's most iconic animals.
The Australian Academy of Science.
For their skin, meat, bones, and other body parts, they are turned into rugs and stuffed and used as luxury wood. How we can save tigers? Stop deforestation as the jungle is the tiger's natural habitat. Don't buy animal skin clothing to discourage poaching and illegal hunting. We have gained so much knowledge about the significance of Tiger's Day. Thank you. बाग बचाओ, जंगल बचाओ, इस दिशा में अपने कदम बढ़ाओ।